So welcome to the 6th video. This is what I'm going to be showing you. In this video I'll be showing you the full repair of this Ford Fusion. It's a Cat N. We bought it for £675 on bid. It was had a dent in the tailgate, the back panel was pushed in ever so slightly. The bumper was obviously hanging off a bit there, and the front bumper needed painting. Not bumper, bonnet, sorry, due to a poor previous repair. So yeah, make sure you stay tuned in for the rest of this video, and a part 2 on the Ford KA will be coming up next. Right, okay, so it's the following day after I've picked the Ford Fusion up. Also given it a good clean, just hoovered the mats in it, topped it up with a bit more oil, and then just put a bit of HGV cleaner under the hood just to bring it up back to life a little bit. But yeah, let's get the white off the window.
This has got one of them lights on it.
Yeah, I know, I need to have a look to see what that is. So basically on the dash, this little circle here, it comes up amber and red sometimes. On the last Ford Fusion that we had, it was doing the same. So if anybody knows what it is, then let me know. And we've taken the bumper off. There was a spot with it there, and then just an 8mm on there, and then just a couple of plastic brackets. But in here was pushed in a bit, so my dad's just got an over crowbar and a bar and just barred it out. And that's done. I think we just need to get some bigger rivets to go through, because I've gone through a little bit there, you know. Yeah. But yeah, that's alright. And then that's all that damages in that tailgate there, ain't it? I did actually find the U. It's in the
Oh, no, it's in there.
thing. So, Right, so a bit of a long Friday, but I managed to get quite a bit done today. That bonnet was terrible, so we've had to take it right back. I'm going to prime it tomorrow, then paint it, and then the dentist and the tailgate. It's been pushed out and filled. And then I'm going to paint the tailgate again tomorrow, put a bit of primer there, prime that, and paint it. The number plate screws are rusted to the actual thread that the screw goes through, so that's going to be a pain trying to fix that, but that's not the end of the world. But apart from that, it should really be done by the end of the weekend. Whoever done these bonnet hinges up last time, not bonnet hinges, the bonnet screws to the hinges, they dogged them up so tight, trying to get them off, pain in the arse, but yes, ready for the weekend now. Right, okay, so she's all painted now. I painted the tailgate and my dad painted the bonnet. It's come apart actually, there's not much dust in it or anything like that. Just let it dry overnight and then put it together tomorrow. Right, okay, so the Ford Fusion is home. Gonna give it a nice clean when it's painted. Need to get rid of all of the little white dots just from where I don't buff that headlight up. But yeah, the tailgate came out quite nice at the end actually. Just need to put the badges back on it. That'll be perfect to go. I'm gonna give it a good wash now. I'm gonna try and get some of these scratches out, touch some of the bits up, give it all a good clean. It's already been hoovered, but proper go into it and then wash it and advertise it. So yeah, that's the end of the Ford Fusion episode. I'll cut back one more time, but yeah. Right, okay, so I've just taken some photos of the Ford Fusion and she is basically done now. Taking my photos for the advertising, just letting her run for a bit, she's been sitting around, but yeah, she's all done. The final thing that I need to do again is just put the badges out there. I forgot to do that with the last one, but yeah, that's all I need to do. And then yeah, she's done. Inside's absolutely mint. It's done 66,000 miles. I've got full service history, loads and loads of paperwork with it. It has one previous owner, so it's a really nice car. I need to put some petrol in it actually, so I'm going to go for a test drive and end up running out of fuel. But yeah. So that's the end of this video. There'll be, the next video will probably be a part 2 on the KA, or it might be me picking up another car that I bought. I won't say what yet. But yeah, thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.